In front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to play as the superstar. Firstly, let's go to the superstar menu from the main menu and go to play. Welcome to Showdown. Put your superstar in the spotlight in this fast-paced gameplay. Now you can launch Celebration, Showdown Ranked, Quest Games, Play a Friend or Practice. Now you can solo practice with CPU and squad practice with CPU. Then you can play with a friend, press RS button to invite a friend, or you can play quest games. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.